Okay, so I'm going to show you how to replace your tail lights on a Honda CR-V, and this is on a 2007. So you're going to notice, you lift the hatch, you'll notice this little circle here, and there's another one down here to match. So what you're going to do is take a little screwdriver, pop in that hole, and it will pop right out. And there's going to be a screw in there. There is another one right up here. Pop it out. There's another screw. So we're going to remove those screws. So now we've removed those screws, and you'll notice this whole piece is loose now. So there's a couple retainer clips that will latch into place. There's one about here, one about here. So you're just going to pull on this and it will pop off. So just kind of gently wiggle it, and you may hear a pop or two, like so, and then the whole thing comes off like this. So then you have access to each and every bulb. See? You can see the retainer clip I was talking about right there, and up at the top as well. Okay, so this is going to be a little difficult to show you with one hand. Alright, so these little connectors here, they just twist and then pull out. I don't know, I'm going to try to show you this. It's kind of hard to do and hold the camera at the same time. So, just twist like that, and then it comes right out, and then you can change your bulb. So there you go. That's how you change all your bulbs. Easy to do. Hope this helps you. So when you put it back together, you just go ahead and snap it back into place. Snap those little retainer clips in. Be sure you put your little screws back in, and don't forget to put your little screw covers back on. Now you'll do the other side works the very same way. A little cover there, cover there. Just remove them both, and it pops off just like this one did. I hope this helped you. If you want to know how to change the front headlight, or the in-cabin air filter, or other tips, check out our channel and subscribe. Thanks.